have to wait and see. Hey guys, we have just arrived at Silvershine Chassis and Suspension. Guess what? This is where our chassis got made.
Have a look through the factory. We're going to chat to Avi and Harvey about what they do here, type of chassis that they make and who they supply their chassis to.
Yes, we're pretty excited. We are getting a full tour of the factory. And you know what, guys? If you've been thinking, how do I get, like, where does my chassis come from? Like, how does it get made? Like, all the different steps.
And like I've been saying, I think a lot of people forget about the chassis, because when you go to look at the caravan, you're not really looking at the chassis, you're looking at the componentry of like cabinetry, you're looking at what's in the van. And
you're looking at all the pretty things.
Yeah, and the chassis is the number one thing that everything's being carried on. So you want to make sure that the chassis that you're getting for your van is built to Australian standards.
This is the whole underbody of the caravan, so it's pretty important, and we're pumped. So you know what? Let's head on in. You guys to Avi, and we would also love to introduce Harvey. Thank you so much already for having us here today, and I guess too, guys, I mean, you have been waiting for this probably more than us, I reckon, on some days, but we have been in strong communications with the team down here at Silvershine, especially Avi and just everybody here. There's been so many questions, there's been so much communication, and you know what, we've had answers every step of the way, haven't we?
Yeah, but I'm sure there's a few questions out there some people are going to definitely ask about the chassis.
Yeah, absolutely.
So hopefully we'll be able to answer some of those questions that you may have lingering in the back of your mind.
Yep, and always remember too, if for some reason we haven't covered a question that you may be thinking, oh, I'm not quite sure about that, always drop it in the comments, and you guys always know that you can reach out to us, and if we don't know the exact information, the team will always be able to help us along the way. Let you start, Mr. B.
Okay, so give us a bit of a background into the history of Silvershine, where it started, how long you've been going for, and what's your endeavours into the future?
So, Pawan and Dylan are the men who started this company. We started in 2020. Yeah, and it's almost 6 years. It took us 6 years where we are here. We supplying 40 manufacturers now. We started with 1 or 2, and then we built our relationship with the chassis engineering and stuff. We gone through all that lane, and now we're supplying half of the industry. So we're pretty glad and proud to be supplying so many manufacturers.
Absolutely, and in saying that as well, I'm not butting in, guys, but in saying that, that is such an achievement. That is amazing, guys, because we're talking about high end here. We're talking about a multitude of caravan builds, not just trail, even though we are going with trail. But that is absolutely brilliant, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So just name drop a couple of those high-end caravan places that you're providing chassis for as well.
So starting, we have Kokoda on board, we have vocational caravans, we have trail RV, we have high clear caravans. With others, we got holiday, we got Cadillac caravans,
Aussie Oswide. High caravans, high clear caravans. We have like 40 companies.
So if you buy a caravan these days, 90% chance you're going to end up with a Silvershine chassis.
Most probably, yes.
And in saying that too, you might be thinking, because I know everyone's curious, because I feel that our chassis, it's bloody amazing, guys, just saying. But there's so many different chassis you can have.
Yes.
Right, so let's touch on that.
On-road, off-road, semi-off-road, like we do, and we have mostly we do like off-road vans, very strong. Our chassis is very strong. Like every day we improve more and more quality and different design with all the Raptor coating chassis and everything. Our truss chassis is more different to others, and the gooseneck chassis, that is very amazing.
Just touching on that, I know we chatted about it a little bit earlier, but can you just explain to our viewers the idea behind the gooseneck and what the benefits are of having in the gooseneck?
When the gooseneck is a little bit like when you from the floor for off-road vans, you can like a 560, 450 to 550, you need level of the ground. So in the truss chassis, the floor height is 900 something. Then its gooseneck will go down a little bit. Then it will connect easy to the van. Cars.
So the main function for the gooseneck is to hitch your van properly. So with the height, if it's an A-frame is on the constant level, sometimes it doesn't hitch properly. So with the gooseneck, we made it possible that it hitches on your van, on your car easy. That's the main idea of that.
And I did also hear it actually transports more of the weight back across the wheels. Is that true?
Yes. Because gooseneck, we use more steel, and the weight that balances the van more favorably, you can say. But it gives you more weight in the front, so it doesn't sway.
Yes.
That's the main idea of it as well.
And just with the chassis, I know you got the truss. You got 2 other types as well. You got 3 different models of the chassis. Is that correct?
So there's a truss chassis, like we done for you guys. So that represents the name of the company, or you can put your name on it as well. Then there's a flat floor. There's no truss on there, but it's a heavier chassis. And then there is a normal chassis. That's a little bit standard normal chassis. It's it doesn't have as high as the other chassis, and no trusses, but it's a flat, normal, lightweight chassis.
Out of the 3, if you had to pick one, which one would it be?
We every chassis has its own benefit. Flat floor is more strong, more steel in there, but it's heavier. Truss chassis is also strong, but it has your name on it. With the on-road and off-road chassis, like normal chassis, that's a little bit lighter. So people who prefer to have a lightweight chassis, we make those chassis. So
Okay.
we can't pick one. Like it has its own
pros and cons.
We do obviously like a custom made.
Yeah.
What the customer needs.
Yeah.
So according to that, the caravan manufacturers do their heights and adjustments. So according to that, caravan manufacturers they do the design everything.
Yeah.
We go our design and we together work and they give you a good product.
Yeah. And what's the warranty on most of your chassis?
So it's a 5-year structural warranty. Anything goes wrong with the chassis?
Structure wise,
it never goes wrong anything with the chassis.
We can any
but
part,
that's why we
all the parts we not develop.
Yep.
The parts, whatever, we give 1 year warranty on parts.
Yep.
And 5 year structure warranty.
Yep.
And I think too on that note, and again guys, we were having a little bit of conversation while we're having our walkthrough, and you had a really good information that I just stuck to me that you guys need to know about this. Servicing your chassis.
Yeah.
We need to put that out there.
The more problems, not the customer doesn't know anything. So some of them know, some of them doesn't know. They have to go for service on time according to our service book.
Yeah.
So then you can claim warranties.
That's why we're here having this discussion. But with the steel and everything, that's all Australian.
Yeah, we use Orcon steel and 450 grade all the steel. Like a floor where, like we use maximum 450 grade, and it's like a Australian made steel. All the parts here, everything Australian made. We use all the suspension. We make it here, Australian made. All the suspension. We use airbags, airbag man. We can get it anywhere in Australia. Any problems, anything, you can get it. Perfect. All the parts.
Yep. Excellent.
Yeah.
And then with the manufacturing of the chassis, how many chassis are you actually putting out?
So weekly we're doing, at this stage, we're doing around 35 to 40 chassis a week.
Wow, that's incredible.
It
sometimes go up for 50, 60.
Yeah.
But at this stage, we are around 40 mark.
Wow, that's incredible.
So these guys working hard. They're like, we start at 7 in the morning and we go around 6, 7 at night. They have proper breaks and stuff that I'm not gonna. Work safe. Not gonna catch on us on this, but like we have these. We have number of 5 or 6 chassis we producing every day. So it goes around for 35 to 40 chassis a week.
It's, you know what, like as you've already seen a little bit, guys, and we've not finished yet. It is organised chaos down there. The amount of chassis that going from bay to bay, and I've just learnt so much down there. going to, you know, I'm probably not got the right terms, guys, but you know, like the painting booths and then the assembly, and you know, I even got to see a chassis being craned into the bay. Like that was just amazing. It's just, and I mean, that's why we're showing you guys. It's not every day that you're ordering your caravan and you're getting to be able to see it from being just metal to those stages and going through, which is just incredible.
Thanks for your time. You came here. You know, this is we felt privileged to show you around. You know, and it's our honor to make a chassis for you guys.
We are very proud to doing trial caravans and with you.
Yeah.
That's very, very good. Ed is very nice person.
Yeah.
They are working with us beginning of our company.
Journey. Yeah.
He's very, very good.
Oh,
and we met you. You people are amazing.
Oh,
very nice.
Don't get me all emotional. You guys know that I just get emotional, but it is, and it's like I have been saying as well, guys, through our whole journey of starting to travel full time, and just having the connections with, if it be, you know, from the start of your build or to places you go, to people you meet, and the conversation that we were just having about, you know, community. And it's starting the foundation even before that with like good values and family, and it all just goes together. And I think that is really important. I just, so excited, so ready to get back on the road. If there's any questions, maybe they just flick us through.
Are doing. We don't talk much. Just we have to show our work.
Yeah, the workmanship is amazing. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
They reckon they're quite not really. They're not really, but yeah, we will finish our walk around the factory. And if there's anything else in between or afterwards, you know what, you're going to hear from me or Mr. B as well. So thank you so much for sharing all that information to our viewers. And you got to wait until you see this bad boy on the road. It's going to be next level, definitely. And you guys also have, I'm just going to say on a little don't tell anybody side note, there's always new stuff coming from Silvershine.
Definitely.
Watch this space, and as always, I'll pop all the links below and the information. So thank you so much.
I will send you that link to your web. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Shh, don't tell them too much. Don't tell them too much, buddy. Don't tell them. Shh. All right, you're going to have to wait and see.